Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to manage email sync on your Samsung Galaxy device. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy and go to the home screen. Tap on the apps icon to view all your applications. Next, find Settings app and tap on it. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backups. Here you'll see all list of all your accounts. Tap on the email account you want to manage. Here you can see sync. Now tap on sync email. And that's it. You've successfully managed your email sync settings on your Samsung Galaxy device. Also, you can also sync schedule. Tap on account settings, then on general. Here you can find and set how often your device checks for new emails. Choose the often option the best suits your needs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.